Hey there, PitBossers. So I have the PitBoss 1100 PSC2, and one of the issues that I found is that if I am wanting to cold smoke something, or at least like I'm doing now, to while my grill's preheating, get some smoke onto my pork chops here. You have the ventilation thing in the middle right here where you let in the smoke into the propane area and it comes out in that little hole down there. But you also have generally holes in the back of your primary smoking area. So what I've done is I have closed up those holes with these little strip magnets, and these are actually some air conditioner return magnet sheets that you can buy. You can just use any sheet magnet really, but I've put these over the top of these holes to make sure that all of the smoke, these are hot by the way, ouch, so that all the smoke goes over into the secondary area. So if you find that useful, fantastic. If not, just keep scrolling. And just a little add-on as well. This brush is awesome, by the way. This is the Grillbadger. You can find it on Amazon, but it has non-metallic bristles made out of some sort of palm from Middle East somewhere. I forget what type. But that works really well, especially on those types of grill grates where something like this isn't really gonna be as useful. That's more designed for the straight inline grill grates, but that thing works great. Squirt some water on it and clean up your grill. Fantastic.